Hi friends, MFD business, that is Mutual Fund Distributors business conversion to corporate. That is, we see many mutual fund distributors are still in individual manner. That is, they have not moved on to the corporate yet. And let us see what are all the advantages and disadvantages of being in individual or moving to a corporate. On behalf of Butts Academy, I welcome you all. As far as mutual fund distributor entity is concerned, they have been in various forms. They are individuals, they are partnership firms, limited liability partnership firm which is called as LLP, private limited company, and HUF and body of individuals. Under these status, they do file their tax returns and they do their businesses. But let us see which suits best for a mutual fund business, mutual fund distributor business. And this is a current model. As per the current model, individuals are concerned, 79% of mutual fund distributors in India are individuals. They file their tax return under this category. Firm, that is a partnership firm. As far as partnership firm is concerned, 5% of the distributors are doing business under partnership firm. The third, which has come the latest, this is the latest trend. Many people move from individual to LLP right now. What is LLP? LLP is limited liability partnership firm. Your liability is limited to the certain extent. That's the advantage. That's why many people move on to this category. There are 7% of mutual fund distributor under this category. This is the oldest one, private limited company, and 8% of the mutual fund distributor currently are under this category in India. Others, what are all others? Others are 1%, which are maybe body of individuals or HUF or any other category which falls under this, which is 1%. So whatever I have told, we are seeing it here. So the maximum, almost 79% are still doing their business as an independent mutual fund distributor, whereas the other category, the corporate categories like firm, LLP, private limited and others are all 21%. Let us now see with an example of 25 crores AUM. Normally, average I take because some AMC gives 60 paise, 70, 80, 90, 100 bips, 110 bips, 120. So let me for a comfort note, I have taken 1% as your trail commission. Based on 1% for your 25 crore AUM, you will be getting an annual commission of 25 lakhs, which is inclusive of GST. As far as individuals are concerned, these are all the 6 benefits which is available for the individuals or sole proprietor. That is, he is a single owner, blah blah blah, all other things. These are all many benefits, since he will have the complete control and no tension, no fight, etc., etc. These are all the advantage of being an individual or a sole proprietor. Now, let us see. This is the example which I am going to compare the same thing with all other categories. See, let us suppose you are mutual fund commission, your AUM is so and so, and you have got a commission of 25 crore. And other commissions, what are other commission? You may be agent of Life Insurance Corporation of India or any other private insurance company or general insurance or for medical insurance or anything, all other put to commission, other commissions, I have taken 50% of your major mutual fund commission. So your income is 37 lakhs 50,000 per annum. Annually you get this much. And as far as expenses, I take 50% because out of this 50%, 18% goes towards your GST, because all the mutual funds in India, whatever commission they pay, which is inclusive of GST. That means if you get 1 lakh income, which is inclusive of GST only, what you get. In that case, 18%, let us take it out. Balance 32% goes towards your other expenses like salary, rent, office maintenance, etc., etc., etc. All put together 32%. So 50% of your money goes towards expenditure. Now let us see what you are going to do with your balance taxable income. What is the taxable income here? Here taxable income is 18.75 lakhs. Since he is an individual, he can go and invest up to 2.25 lakhs. What are all the benefits in 2.25 lakhs? ATC is 1.5 lakhs. That is NSC, PPF, ELSS, housing loan principal and many other. What is ATCCD? That is NPS. What is NPS? NPS is National Pension Scheme. How much they allow for that? For that it is 50,000, which is the maximum allowable. ATD is Mediclaim. Let us suppose you and your family alone, I am considering. In case if you have your parents and other things, all this will be different one. As far as you and your family concerned, there is a limitation of 25,000. Let us consider only this as of now. So your net taxable income will be 16.5 lakhs. For this 16.5 lakhs, your tax component as an individual or a sole proprietor, it will be 3,07,500 and 12,300 will be the educational cess, which is 4% of the tax payable. So 3,07,500 plus 4%, which is 12,300. Net tax what you will be paying is 3,19,800. That means from your net taxable income of 16,50,000, after paying a tax of 3,19,800, your net income, that is take away for your tax free, which you take away, is 13.3 lakhs only. As far as firm is concerned, that is registered firm or partnership, registered partnership firm or unregistered partnership firm, whatever you call it. These are all the 6 benefits out of that. Income, same whatever I have explained there, the same thing, same income, because I want to compare apple with apple. So income with the individual with the same income I have considered here also. If you see here, for the as far as partnership firm is concerned, after the expenditure, they allow partner's salary also. What is partner's salary? Whatever net profit available after your expenditure, that can be adjusted against partner's salary, but not the entire amount you can put it as partner's salary. There is a limitation for that. That is on the first 3 lakh profit, you can take up to 90% as partner salary and balance. Let us suppose in this example, 18.75 lakhs is a partner salary. Sorry, 18.75 lakhs is the income after expenditure, because 50% is expenditure we have considered. So 37 lakh 50,000 minus 18.75 lakhs is 18.75 lakhs income. In that 18.75 lakhs, for first 3 lakh 90%, which is 2 lakh 70,000. On the balance 15 lakh 75,000, it is 60%, which amounts to 9 lakh 45,000. So total partner's salary allowed is 12 lakh 15,000, And let us suppose you have invested 1 lakh capital in the firm, for which that the partners, you have two partners, one partner 50,000, the other partner 50,000, all put together 1,12,000, 1 lakh. For 1 lakh, you will be allowed 12% on capital invested as interest, which is 12,000 rupees per annum. So gross taxable income for the partners, for the firm, will be 6,48,000. So the tax payable, that is actually net tax payable, will be 30% of the amount, which is 1,94,400, and 4% educational cess, which is 7,776. Put together, you will be paying 2,02,176 as tax. Income net of tax, 6,48,000 is your net income. Out of that, 2,02,176 you pay tax. So you can carry 4,45,824 from the firm for that year. And apart from this, we have already made a provision of 12,15,000 partners remuneration and partners interest, which all put together, gross takeaway for you will be 16,72,824. And since there are two partners in the firm in our example, each partner is having 50% share. So we have worked out like this. I am considering both the partners are working partners. Based on that, whatever salary we made provision, which is divided by 2, 6,07,500 and 6,07,500. Interest 12,000 divided by 2, here 6,000, there 6,000. And in individual, we have claimed the deductions under individual category. But as far as firm is concerned, these expenditure, that is these deductions, are not allowed. So let us claim that same thing in partners individual accounts. So that we are claiming, there we have claimed 1.5 lakhs, which is maximum allowable in individual as deduction under section 80C. Here I add 5 more thousand to that and I make it as 80,000 and claim here for both the partners. So what will be the taxable component here? For 4,96,000, income tax for that will be 12,300 and tax relief under section 87A, which is available up to 12,500. Since the tax is only 12,300, it will be entire amount will be allowed and tax payable by each partner will be nil. Next category, LLP, Limited Liability Partnership Firm. These are all the advantages of Limited Liability Partnership Firm. And let me tell you one thing about Limited Liability Partnership Firm, my dear friends. Here, see, if why limited liability partnership firm is required. If you are going to do something, because of that something, if your client is going to file a case on you, claiming your assets or blah 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 other things, all you may need a limited liability partnership firm. Otherwise, see, I know 99.99% of mutual fund distributors are honest. They don't sell, they don't want to spoil their business by doing something bad to their customers. So because they need to meet the customer again and again and again for the business. So we always see the benefit of our customer rather than doing something bad to our customer, which you will not be doing. In that case, question of limited liability partnership requirement may not arise in our category at all. Here, the same working I am doing as in the partnership firm, everything is same. Only advantage here it is limited liability. Otherwise, Control C, Control V, that is copy and paste. income, everything is same. Even partner salary, everything goes on in the same way. Let us move to private limited company. These are all the 6 benefits of private limited company. Especially fundraising, you need to be, and you want to give more this thing, or moving out, you would like to sell your business. This is the easiest, one of the easiest method, but the compliance are more in private limited company. As far as taxation is concerned, the same working, but here it is not partner salary, it is director's salary. And income is the same. There is no deduction allowable. One important thing here is the tax payable in limited liability firm, partnership and registered partnership firm, it is 30%. Here it is only 25%. You get a benefit of 5% here. Net taxable income after the tax of 1,68,000, it will be what you need to pay dividend distribution. If you want to distribute this income, that will be, you will be paying a dividend distribution tax of 71,928 rupees, because it is 15%. So director's remuneration is 12,27,000. So your net earnings after dividend distribution, this is the income, that is 6,48,000 is your income minus the tax. This is the surplus payable, which is, let us suppose you are distributing as dividend, you will be paying a 15% dividend distribution tax, and 4,07,592 will be paid. And director's remuneration, you have already got 12,27,000. Put together, your net takeaway after tax will be 16.34 lakhs. This is the salary as far as partners are concerned. Here all deduction I claim, and here I claim the standard deduction also. As far as LLP and firm, this standard deduction is not available. So 10,500 is a tax, and it is non-taxable, below taxable limit. And now let us see the summary. As far as individual is concerned, your net takeaway after your the net income, you will be paying amphi fee. Amphi fee is 3 years 1,500. So per year 500. Audit fees you will be paying 2,500 rupees estimated. Then savings what you make. So 15 lakh this plus this, 15 lakh 52,000 will be your income. As far as partnership is concerned, here 37 lakh 50,000, same thing. Here net earning will be this much. Amphi fees will be 10,000 divided by 3. Audit fees 5,000 rupees per annum. And 80 CCD, all this exemption which is allowed in the hands of the partner, which is paid in the hands of the partner, that also I had. Here your income is this much. LLP this much. LLP we add 2 more categories. Here it is 20,000, that's why it is 6667, and that is under amphi fee. And audit fees, it is 10,000, 12,000. This is a normal audit fees which is minimum charged by many auditors. Then company secretary fees comes, and register of company fees comes, all those comes. And net to net, your earnings here is stands different. As far as partnership, LLP and private limited company, the claims on savings, that is ATC, ATCCD and ATD, is claimed in the hands of the partners and directors. So now let us rate which is better. Here I give a 5-star rating for partnership firm, because in your earning I comfortably get around 19 lakhs. Here 18.64 lakhs in LLP, in private limited 17.97 lakhs, and individuals only 15.52 lakhs. As I told you earlier, 79% of Indian mutual fund distributors are under the category of individuals. So please, my dear friends, consider moving from individual to a corporate ARN, maybe a partnership or LLP or private limited company at your comfort, because the succession planning is also easier if you want to hand over your company to the next gen or you have to own your family member. This will be easier to your spouse. As I told you, as far as income is concerned, after all expenditure and taxes, individual take home only 41.39%, whereas if you are owning a firm, partnership firm, you take away 50.65, LLP takes away 49.71, private limited company 47.94, and others, which is body of individuals or HUF, 15.52, just like individuals. So your firm is much better income what you get. You almost carry away 19 lakhs as your income. So it is time for you to decide which entity suits you. It may be, if you feel I'm comfortable with individual, go ahead. That's your comfort. It depends, everything depends on the comfort of the person. Firm, sir, where I will go and find another partner? Why not your own? You can take your wife as a partner or your major son or major daughter as a partner in the firm, and you can do the business. LLP or private limited company, same way. In case you would like to get all these mutual fund industry updates from me, in that case, please send me a WhatsApp to 9840 from your mobile after saving my number as Ramesh Bhatt K, and you need to send only your name and name and city, which city you belong to. These two things you send it across me, mentioning that you are interested in getting broadcast message from me. In that case, I will be sending you the messages regularly. Thank you, my dear friends. In case of any clarification or any doubts, you can keep in touch with me on this number only on WhatsApp. I will comfortably respond to you as and when I get time. Same way, you have more clarification on movement of your individual ARN to firm or LLP or private limited. You can keep in touch with CAMS. CAMS will guide you how to move your entire individual ARN business which is already there, and how you will continue to get the commission on the old assets. Everything CAMS will guide you. Thank you. God bless.